Hey guys, today we are on the ocean front of 48th Street in Ocean City, Maryland to show you a brand new listing.
Welcome to the Gateway Grand.
The Gateway Grand is Ocean City's most luxurious oceanfront high-rise with 3 and 4 bedroom oceanfront and ocean view units, offering a first-in-class amenity package for the owners. Featuring an indoor pool area, outdoor pool area, and private sun deck, state-of-the-art fitness center, kids club, private storage lockers, gated parking garage, and so much more.
Residence 403 Gateway Grand is the F-style floor plan, featuring an open living room, dining room, kitchen area, great for entertaining. This floor plan not only features an owner's suite, but also a guest suite. Gateway Grand has on-demand hot water, so you don't have to worry about maintaining your own hot water heater. In addition, the water source heat pump is very efficient, keeping those electric bills low. The large balcony overlooks the ocean and bay and has southern exposure to keep you warm on those chilly days. Welcome to Residence 408. This condo delivers designer furnished so that you don't have to worry about doing that yourself. Just come to the beach, enjoy your new condo, and relax. The master bathroom features a whirlpool tub, marble flooring, and a dual vanity with granite top. This is a place that you're going to want to visit. Thanks for taking the time to watch our new video today.
For more information on this or any other listing at the Gateway Grand, please visit us at ocgatewaygrand.com. Have a great day.